This is one of our EdgeSpan S60 modules, which it show you the interface configuration. We can see this model actually just one example. This model has uplink as SFP, and it has external control interface with 485, DIDO, and DC12, DC48 output. And this kind of interface is used to help customer deploy in some electricity control or this kind of scenario, or industrial control scenario that you have to provide the control or backhaul of the RS485 interface, RS232 interface, DIDO, this kind of interface. And in this scenario, we configure with 3 ports, G1, G2, G3, and 2 ports configured with PoE and PoE plus, 1 port configured with 60 watts, or it can be 90 watts PoE. Then here is what we can see is the power part, and a solar panel in is here. This module is using the external battery blade, which you can see from our webpage. The name is called EdgeSpan B60, and it will connect from here to another battery blade. So you can see that the battery blade you can expand very big or very small based on your requirement. But remember that we have another model that we can embed the battery inside at this one blade model, But with that scenario, you cannot have very heavy load there, And here is the signaling to the battery blade, but we already cancel it. We already merged this interface into here, just one interface. And this is this is the button to cut off the power of the whole system. And here is the stator light. As you can see, this is only a typical configuration, but we actually can help to change the interface based on your requirement. Let's see that these modules we have solar surge protection already embedded. We have a solar controller which in this module is 500 watts. It's based on MPPT technology. And then the most important is the monitoring. Every module we provided, we really pay a lot of attention on the monitoring operations. We have our own platform called EdgeWare Convergence Software Platform. This platform is a unified management platform that developed by us, and it can provide you the whole monitoring of the whole box, so you can know the surge suppressor working status, the solar controller status, especially the battery working status, and the system temperature, all these kind of things on the monitoring. Also this model is S60 is a solar model, so the solar controller can be controlled remotely, so you can turn on and turn off it based on the time schedule. That is especially important in some scenario that our customer need to turn off the system at night to save the battery configuration. For the network part, as we mentioned, that we always can customize, so don't limit your imagination with the models I provided from our YouTube channel or our webpage. That's just very limited choice. We have a lot of different kind of customizations models provided to our customer. Also, we are open to do something new in the future. So you have some new idea, let us know, that we can embed in different network modules and help you to make it true. Then the structure part, you can see very detailed here is we use aluminum box itself, and it says the IP65, but actually it already reached IP67 ingress protection for the whole system, and it's aluminum, so you don't have to worry about the temperature and the humidity things. It's totally no fan system, natural heat dissipation, so you don't worry about the maintenance. So this is more or less the EdgeSpan S60's interface configuration. So let us know that what you need. As I mentioned, that this is just one example that every time we can customize for you. Okay, so you talk to us and discuss about the project requirement. Just let us know the detail. We can help to design something match your scenario exactly. Thank you.